How to withdraw or cash out earnings from Cake Streaming. So if you want to go ahead and do this, you first need to set up your payouts through the revenue dashboard. So it's going to be found over here inside your creator dashboard. And after logging in, click your profile. So it's going to be over here. Go ahead to your settings. But as long as you can get here to your revenue dashboard, there's going to be some things you're going to finish in order to activate your payments. So it can just lead you there. So go ahead, press this, go to achievements, and you have to follow these, the path to creator. So finish this, and then your subscriptions will be enabled via your new revenue page. And Cake's official help guide will say you'll need to choose your country, verify your identity, and then enter your bank account details so Stripe can send your payouts. And then once approved, your subscription earnings and eligible revenue are sent automatically to your linked bank account rather than a manual cash out button. And as for timing, Kick states that payouts usually arrive between 1 to 4 weeks depending on your country. So that means after earnings are processed, the money goes straight to the bank account connected to Stripe. And if you don't see funds yet, it may still be processing, and some users report transfers taking a few hours to several business days. So, in simple terms, set up your Stripe, connect your bank, earn revenue, then wait for the scheduled payouts to hit your account automatically. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.